Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on GBPUSD. So let's start with our trend on GBP. You clearly can see that on our daily time frame, we are on a downtrend move. This is the movement. Previously, I think this was early this year, we were on an uptrend move, but right now we are on a downtrend movement. Now, if you take a look at what market is doing here, you will see that a lower high is coming. Now, this is the movement, so I want you guys to understand. You can see that this was the drop we had that made it to start giving us our trend. Then we had this lower high, then we eventually had this lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Market eventually drop and give us a new lower low. We eventually add this lower high. Market drop, it gave us a pullback here. Now it has dropped and given us a new lower low, right? So our next movement in GBPUSD is our lower high. So basically, this week we should be expecting some bullish move. So till it comes to a level of 1.32494, that should be our level first. You might want to target 3 to 500. I think that would be better. We would want to see that pull back to a level of 1.3 to 500. Once it taps that level, then we can now expect another drop again GBP. So more updates will be covered. Just stay updated and follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section.